Namaste and Vande Mataram. Thanks for the opportunity, Bhavans Abu Dhabi, for Pariksha Ki Sarchar from our Honorable Respected Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji. So I am Mrs. Priya Mahesh, mother of Akash Mahesh and Akshaya Mahesh in grade 11 and grade 5 at Bhavans Abu Dhabi. So few points no, actually I myself is a very passionate about children's, their education, growth, etc. So today was an eye-opener from the legendary Prime Minister of Mother India. Grateful for that, for him and the school. So few points what he told was, there are so many things he addressed, and the first one, I always, my own opinion is children are like fresh blooming flowers and their consciousness are very fresh. That is what Divine Mother and Aurobindo also tells. The Prime Minister was telling that he was talking to the students in their own way and all those things. Few important points I gained from today's session at Bhavans on Pariksha Ki Sarchar is, he told that he advises the children to have a proper breathing yogic life, that start yoga, everything, read in the morning, and also he gives a comfort that don't pressure the students, allow them to be as they are, and wherever they are comfortable, let them read. This is point number one. And point number two is, they should not be pressured, but they have to be given a driven for pursuing their own passion. That is, he told the second thing. And the third thing is, they are like spring, okay? So you can only expand the spring into its capacity. If you go beyond, no, it will break. Like that, you please teach the children, or you give the pressure to the children, or you then expect from the children according to their capabilities. That is what they said. He said, and it was a brilliant eye-opener. And very, very important thing is a technology-driven community and world we are in. So for that, what he was addressing is, the technology should not drive the student, but the student should use wiser use of the technology. Like in previous days, we do not know when the train is coming, you go platform to platform, and nowadays it has been replaced with aircrafts, right? Now there are windows on top of every railway station in Bharat, India, so there you can learn. So like that, you have to use smart use of the technology, and how to keep away from the social media addiction or technology is a wiser point for me myself. Is, he says that you create a door of no device room, no device area in your own family. So you take a simple oath and you write it down that 1 to 2 hours or 3 hours in the whole family or as a student, I will be away from the technology without any device or anything. That is a very, very valid point, and which he was telling. And he said that for one more question on how to manage the parents and the teachers' pressure is, he answered very wisely that if you are comfortable to manage your own life, he was giving example of Indian farmers. That is what I was speaking last week also, that every Indian home, a farmer's home, education should go there and illiteracy should be gone. So he gave very nice example like that. Is, there are technology driven farmers, so you use wiser use of the both the machines which are available now and also the old way of living. These are a very fine points which I was able to grasp from Sri Modi ji's Pariksha Ki Sarchar, and thanks to Bhavans for the opportunity. Education is the only instrument which society can give to a child in desperate need. So this is my anchoring. Thank you so much.